Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about my shopping experience. My own experience. I want to talk to you about shopping on Temu and share some things with you that I can pretty much say nobody knows. And these are the things that make you dissatisfied when you shop on Temu. I've bought everything you can think of from Temu. My home furniture, kitchen appliances, electronics, you name it. All at unbelievable prices. I bought everything I liked with great quality, and I'm still using every single one of them to this day. It's been great because I know how to shop on Temu, and there are a few things on the website that you need to pay attention to. If you don't, you might end up not being happy with your purchase. Stick with me, so I can break all of this down for you. Alright, first, let's go. Let's talk about how to shop on the Temu website together. Temu is a website that ships everywhere in the world. Its prices are unbelievable, and in many countries, you have the option to shop on Temu and split your purchase into 4 to 6 interest-free installments. I mean, companies like Klarna and ClearPay, which I know are available in the UK and the US. There are companies like that, which are financial companies separate from Temu, but are connected to Temu, and people can, based on their eligibility and the capability they have, if those companies approve them, they can. They can even split their purchase into 4 to 6 interest-free installments over a month or 2 months. Well, this is really great, and it's one of the reasons why I shop from Temu so much. It's because of this. Because I pay in small amounts without interest, and it's really easy for me. I can buy anything I want, so that's one of the good things about Temu. The second good thing is that their prices are extremely reasonable, and everyone can buy quality stuff at a good price. And let me tell you something else. People have this mindset or misconception that just because these products are from China, they're bad quality. Look, back in the day, it was like if something came from China, it was low quality and not good. It's not like that anymore. Now, different quality levels are produced in China, and depending on how much you pay, you can get a product that's either high quality or lower quality. That's how it is now. Chinese manufacturers and sellers are now honest and transparent with you, meaning they tell you if their product has a certain feature or doesn't have it, and they even make offers. If you want something higher quality, you can pay a higher price. Why do they do this? Because now, basically, their customers are people from all over the world, and this trust needs to be built and established. Because if they try to sell something that isn't good quality, the customer won't buy from them a second time, and that wouldn't be good for them. That's why now they're very honest and transparent, and they clearly tell you what the product has and what it doesn't have. And this is exactly how it is, and that's really great. You can find both low-quality, cheap products and higher quality, slightly more expensive products, which are still much cheaper than elsewhere, on Temu, and buy them. So those days are over when we used to say, because it's Chinese, the price is bad. That's not the case anymore. Now, even the world's biggest brands are doing it. They prepare their products in Chinese factories, and like I said, it depends on the price. China can even offer the best quality. Now, let's get to the website and how to shop from the site. I've heard from different people that everyone complains that when they buy from Temu, their stuff takes a really long time to arrive. That's because of something on Temu. When people shop, they don't pay attention to it. Pay close attention. Whatever item you pick from Temu and want to buy, all the information about how the item is shipped and how many days it takes is always there. It's written right there, and everything is available. There's nothing hidden from you. For a lot of items, it's mentioned that they'll be shipped by boat and overland by ground transport. Those are the things that take about a month and a half, or even 2 months now, to reach you. Usually, these are items that are both good quality and very reasonably priced. Why? Because it takes a long time for them to reach you. But if you don't mind, if price is important to you and timing isn't, if it arrives late or you have time, these are the kinds of items you can order. But if the delivery time is really important to you, there are 2 other types as well. We have items in our team that if you pay close attention, You'll see the explanation written under each item. For some items, in fact for most items, the price is a bit higher than those shipped by ground. These take about a week, at most 10 days, to reach you. Why? Because these items are shipped from China to your country by air. I usually buy these types of items myself, and I think they're really suitable if you want a good price. You pay for a quality item that at most will reach you in about a week to 10 days. Then there's a third type of item. These are products that are already available in your own country. They're stocked in the supplier's warehouses, so when you order them, you'll get them in 1 or 2 days. Again, this is written under the item, so don't worry about ordering something and it arriving late or having to complain about it. Always read this information before placing your order and make sure you know how the delivery works. Another thing you need to pay attention to on Temu is that for any product you want to buy, always go and check the feedback section to see how many stars previous customers have given it. Or check if that product is a bestseller, or if the person selling it, or if the company selling the product is a star seller or not. These are the things that actually show you whether the product is good. People have been satisfied and bought a lot from them. And actually, the seller is a good seller who has become a star seller. So always go and read the feedback. Open the feedback page, check how many stars each person is given. Personally, I always go and read the low star reviews. I want to see why someone gave a product a low rating. Sometimes the reasons are really ridiculous and don't matter to me at all. And sometimes I read them and think, well, it's a good thing I read this and found out that there's this issue here. So these are things you should pay attention to on any website. If you pay attention to these things, there's no way the product you buy will be low quality. And another good point about the Temu website, friends, is that whatever product you buy, if for any reason you change your mind and don't want it, Temu offers you 2 options. The first option is that you can just keep the product, not return it at all, and they'll deduct a certain percentage from the price you paid and refund you the rest of the money. In the same way you made the payment, which is great for products that are really hard to return, like if they're bulky or large. This option is really convenient, and I've used it several times myself. The second way is, if you really want to get all your money back and return the item, they give you a free label so you don't have to pay anything extra. You can return the item and get your full refund right away, so it's a trustworthy website. You can find anything you want on it. I've put all of these for you. Go ahead and shop and get started. Enjoy your life and feel good. And until the next videos, take care of yourselves.